Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest trends in technology and web development. In this video, we're going to compare two popular options, Flutter and WordPress. More specifically, we want to look over the advantages of developing in Flutter over WordPress. If you're interested in building websites that are highly customizable, fast, and offer a native app-like experience, then Flutter might be the right choice for you. So let's dive in. One of the biggest advantages of using Flutter for website development is that it allows you to create a highly responsive and interactive user interface that offers a native app like experience. Unlike WordPress, Flutter was specifically designed to build native apps, and the same principle applies when building websites. This means that your website will have fast loading times, smooth animations, and other features that makes it feel like a mobile app. Another advantage of Flutter over WordPress is that it offers a high degree of customization and flexibility. With Flutter, you can create your own widgets and modify the framework to fit your specific needs. This is especially useful if you have unique design or functionality requirements for your website. Flutter's flexibility allows you to build a website that truly stands out from the rest. Flutter can be quicker to develop with than WordPress, as it uses a single code base for both Android and iOS apps, as well as web apps. This means that you can develop your website more efficiently and potentially save time and resources. Flutter also offers hot reloading, which means you can see changes in real time as you make them. This can help speed up the development process even faster. Flutter websites are known for the high performance, as they can take advantage of the device's hardware acceleration and other optimizations. This results in faster load times, smoother animations, and just better overall performance. Because Flutter websites are optimized for mobile devices, they can be especially beneficial if your website is targeting mobile users. And lastly, because Flutter websites uses a single code base for multiple platforms, they can be easier to maintain and update than WordPress websites. Changes and updates can be made to the code once and then applied across all platforms simultaneously. This can save time and effort as you don't need to update each platform separately. That's it for our video on the advantages of using Flutter over WordPress for website development. As you can see, Flutter offers a wide range of benefits that makes it a great choice for building highly customized, fast, and responsive websites. Of course, there are also advantages of using WordPress, so be sure to consider your specific requirements and goals when choosing a platform. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and for more web development content.